London, England, a complete travel guide to explore the city in 2024. Welcome to London, England, a city where centuries of history meet modern marvels. London is a cultural hub with iconic landmarks, bustling markets, and charming streets that cater to every kind of traveler. Whether you're planning a trip or exploring through a virtual travel tour, this article offers the ultimate London travel guide with tips and insights to make your journey unforgettable. From things to do in London to the best walking tours and sightseeing spots, this guide is packed with information for first-time visitors and seasoned travelers alike. Let's dive into London's vibrant energy and timeless charm. Why visit London, England? London is not just the capital of the United Kingdom, it's also a treasure trove of history, art, and culture. Whether you're exploring the grandeur of Buckingham Palace or enjoying the bustling vibes of Borough Market, London has something for everyone. In 2024, the city continues to be a top destination for families, solo travelers, and couples alike. Key highlights of London. Iconic landmarks like the London Eye and Tower Bridge. A rich history spanning over 2,000 years. Diverse neighborhoods such as Soho, Camden, and Notting Hill. World-class museums like the British Museum and the Natural History Museum. Things to do in London. 1. Visit the London Eye. The London Eye is a must-see for anyone visiting the city. As Europe's tallest observation wheel, it offers panoramic views of London's skyline, including landmarks like Big Ben and St. Paul's Cathedral. The experience is both thrilling and relaxing, making it a favorite for families and couples. Pro tip: book your tickets online to skip the queues and try an evening ride for breathtaking sunset views. 2. Explore Buckingham Palace. No trip to London is complete without a stop at Buckingham Palace, the official residence of the British monarch. Time your visit to watch the changing of the guard, a spectacle of British pageantry. Fun fact: during the summer months, you can tour the staterooms inside the palace. 3. Walk across Tower Bridge. An iconic symbol of London, Tower Bridge is an architectural masterpiece. Take a walk across its glass-floored walkway for stunning views of the River Thames. Nearby, you'll find the Tower of London, a historic fortress that houses the crown jewels. 4. Enjoy a London walking tour. A London walking tour is one of the best ways to immerse yourself in the city. Options range from historical tours to themed walks, such as Jack the Ripper or Harry Potter locations. Popular walking areas include South Bank, scenic riverside views and street performers. Covent Garden, bustling shops and cafes. Notting Hill, famous for its pastel-colored houses and Portobello Road Market. 5. Discover world-class museums. London boasts an array of museums that cater to all interests. The British Museum, home to the Rosetta Stone and the Elgin Marbles. The Natural History Museum, famous for its dinosaur exhibits and immersive galleries. The Science Museum, perfect for kids and families with hands-on exhibits. 6. Explore Camden Market. For an offbeat experience, visit Camden Market. This vibrant area is known for its eclectic shops, street art, and international street food. It's a haven for those seeking a unique shopping and dining experience. Family-friendly attractions in London. If you're visiting London, England, for kids, there are plenty of family-friendly options. The Warner Brothers Studio Tour. Step into the magical world of Harry Potter. London Zoo. Located in Regent's Park, it's a great day out for children and adults alike. Hyde Park. Let the kids run free while you relax by the Serpentine Lake. London travel tips. Getting around. London's public transport system is one of the best in the world. Use an Oyster card or contactless payment for seamless travel on buses, trains, and the tube. Alternatively, consider renting a bike to explore the city at your own pace. Tip: avoid rush hour, 7:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. and 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. for a more comfortable commute. Best time to visit London. The best time to visit London is during spring, March to May, or autumn, September to November, when the weather is mild and the city is less crowded. Winter is also magical, with Christmas lights and festive markets adding to the city's charm. Where to stay. Whether you're looking for luxury or budget-friendly accommodations, London has it all. Luxury hotels, the Ritz London, the Savoy. Mid-range options, the Hoxton, Southwark. Budget stays, Premier Inn, Travelodge. London for foodies. Traditional British cuisine. Try classic dishes like fish and chips, bangers and mash, or a full English breakfast. Don't miss the chance to enjoy afternoon tea at a historic tea house. Global cuisine. Thanks to its multicultural population, London is a melting pot of flavors. From Indian curries in Brick Lane to Middle Eastern dishes in Edgware Road, there's something for every palate. Must-visit food spots. Borough Market, a haven for food lovers. Chinatown, authentic Asian cuisine. Soho, trendy cafes and late-night dining. Virtual tours of London. Can't visit in person? Experience the city through a travel virtual tour. Many platforms offer 4K video tours of London's landmarks, providing a lifelike experience of walking through its streets. This is a great way to plan your itinerary or enjoy the city from the comfort of your home. Popular virtual tour highlights. A walk along the South Bank. Exploring the British Museum. Views from the London Eye. What to do in London in 2024. London continues to evolve, offering exciting new attractions and experiences. Art and exhibitions. Check out the latest displays at the Tate Modern and the National Gallery. Music and theater. London's West End is home to some of the best musicals and plays in the world. Seasonal events. From the Chelsea Flower Show to Winter Wonderland, London's calendar is packed with events year-round. Conclusion. Why you should visit London. London is a city like no other. Whether you're marveling at the London Eye, wandering through historic streets, or savoring global cuisine, every corner of this city has a story to tell. Its mix of history, culture, and modern attractions makes it one of the most exciting destinations in the world. For travelers from the US, the UK, or anywhere else, London travel promises a journey filled with unforgettable memories. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready to explore London, England, a city that never ceases to amaze.